Alrighty, y'all. Hope you're having a great afternoon. I decided to come to New Braunfels today and stop at the Animal Zoo and Snake Farm. This is a actual zoo that's between Austin and San Antonio. It's about 30 miles from my house. They have a vast collection of snakes here. So that's what we're gonna kind of check out, is all the different snakes they have. Very poisonous snakes too. And then they have animals, a zoo in the back. So we're gonna check all those guys out. We're gonna bring it all to you. Again, it's I think it's like $15 to get in here, $15.99 for adults, and it's $12.99 for kids. And I think anyone that's under 3 is free to get in. So I think it's a great place to spend the afternoon if you have children. I'm excited to go in here. Let's check these snakes out. Walk right directly into the snake area. You can see this guy right here. He's got a little tiger mask on. He's socially distancing and being safe. The first guy you see as you walk in is alligator or crocodile. You wouldn't even know he's alive. He doesn't move at all. First snake you see is rather impressive, the king cobra. He is absolutely enormous and quite intimidating. He's the number 8th venomous snake at the snake farm. I heard him scratching behind me, and it looks like he wants out. Look at that. This lizard can actually get longer than 12 feet, it says. He's really trying to get out. So this whole area here is just the snake area, the snake room with other reptiles, it looks like. We're gonna step outside here in a second. And they have animals outside also, so let's take a peek out here. Over there they have little prairie dogs. He's digging down in there. Look at how cute they are. He's digging away. And over here we have a jaguar. Look at him back there. If you can see him, he's really pretty. He's taking a cat nap. Looks like he has a nice enclosure there with water and everything. He's really gorgeous though. And so here's a white lion, and these guys can only be found in the very southern tip of Africa down here. That's really interesting. And it says that these unique felines are not albino, but have specialized genetics that promote the pale coloration and blue or pale eyes. White lions range in coloration from snowy to white to light tan. And you can see these guys, they're not white. They have a tinge of yellow to them, but they're very pretty. They just look like big house cats laying around. And this is a capybara. Look at him. Looks like a big rat. These guys are native to Central and South America, and they can stand up to 2 feet tall and weigh 150 pounds. That's crazy. And look at this mountain lion walking around. Look how pretty he is. Wow. It's really weird being up close to animals like this. But man, is he pretty. Here we got some white-cheeked gibbons. These are critically endangered. And they're kind of sitting up there, grooming each other, getting the bugs off. We also have bird cages over here. We got a macaw. He's pretty, very blue. And then they have a pair of macaws. These are green-winged ones. I can see why they're called green-winged. Then right outside the bird cages, they have these peacocks. How pretty they are. Got a basket of goodies in there for the turtles. Trying to encourage them to come out, I guess.
Right here.
Out he comes.
Come here, you can close it, okay. Go on up there. Hold it moving.
Welcome to Animals and Snake Farm Zoo. My name is Annie and I'm actually a mammal keeper. But I help out our reptile department with this show. So if I don't know all the answers to your questions, I apologize. But I could also radio them and ask them. If you guys have any more technical questions that I don't know the answer to. So these guys, they were not hatched here at this zoo. Most of them were rescued or donated. This is my big guy. So we don't know exactly how old they are, but they're guesstimating these big guys to be anywhere from 50 to 60 years old. So they do that just based off their size. And so the other guy that's in there, he's actually a little bit bigger than this guy. But there's a few different ways that you can tell they're male from female. So the first is going to be, they have like these little spurs on the front part of their shell. They basically flip each other over with that. When they want to mate or have territory. And also if you pick them up by the front part of their shell right here and stand them up on their back legs, if their shell on their stomach is flat, it's a female. I've got plenty of it in here, guys, and I have zucchini that you guys can hold on to too.
Yeah.
How big he is.
If you want to help, please.
So how cool is that? That's one of the little shows they put on. I was talking to you about. That's the tortoise show. I guess they all eating their it's their lunch, I guess. I don't know how many times they eat a day, but you can see they coax them out with the fruits and not the fruits, the vegetables, the lettuce and the squash. So it's kind of cool. It's fun to watch tortoises eat. So here's the schedule I was talking about. Keep moving it really fast, but it looks like it's the same every day. I think that was tortoise time is where we're at. Even though it says Sunday, I think it's the exact same time as it was today. But yeah, so that's actually on. This is all on the website. If you go peek at it, it'll show that. You can also do mining, which is kind of cool. And then this is the Monday through Saturday schedule. But there's literally something going on every half an hour. You know, something to see and watch. And if you're into doing the penny pressing, over here next to the gift shop, they have your pennies. You got a tortoise, and it looks like one of those monkeys that we saw out there, and a macaw. And then this machine has a alligator, a king cobra, and some sort of frog. All right, we're back over here. We're back in the building now. We're looking at the little gift shop they have in here. They got all kinds of little animals, Lego blocks, not really Legos, but they're called adventure blocks. Little animal, a zoo play sets. It looks like an elephant. It actually looks like a dinosaur or something. More sea turtle stuff. I think I actually saw this at SeaWorld. A little mermaid down there, shark head, which are kind of cool. A couple more, ooh, tarantula. And in the actual gift shop, they have a tarantula there. You can see them on the wall. A desert millipede. Oh, jeez. That's pretty intense. And then they got this guy, a black pine snake. He is not venomous.
Same drill. Same drill, but you're the guy that's grabbing behind the head.
And then they got a Gila monster. And you can see his head. Look at his head. He's got, looks like he's got pink on his head. On top there. He's found in the southwestern U.S., northern Mexico. You can see his head though. He's sleeping. And then there's another one in the corner.
Got nearly 100 teeth in their mouth.
Right in the middle of the gift shop here, they have another display. Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake. You can see him crawling up the wall there. That's pretty intense. He's right there. And I don't know if you can tell by how big he is, but he is very large. That pit goes down deep. He is very, very large. He is not something I'd want to meet out in the desert. There's actually another one coiled up down in there. And then we got the bearded dragons. That's kind of cool. It looks like they had the guy from Dirty Jobs in here at one point, helping them do the animals. Yeah, you can see he was here. And then they got your memorabilia here. They got the Snake Farm shirts. Snake Farm and Animal World Zoo for children.
That's Big Snake. All right. It's Big Snake. Snake's big.
These looks like they're all kids shirts here.
To describe the,
and then they got cups and shot glasses.
Big Snake.
And then miner hats.
Yeah, that's kind of exciting. Yeah. Get your blood going.
Really cool postcards.
I know it's old hat for you.
And then we got more stuff over here. More toys for the kiddos. Snakes. This cute guy. I think it's a llama, maybe. What is that? They need to put what that is. It's cute, whatever it is. Excuse me. More toys. Babies for your children's. And that's it, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. There's our visit to the snake farm. $15, a couple hours. You could actually stay there longer if you wanted to see all the shows and whatnot. All the displays they have out there. So it was pretty cool. It's a good way to spend the afternoon with the kiddos in the summertime. I enjoyed it. I like all the snakes, even though I'm kind of scared of them. I do like them. I imagine pretty much everyone's scared of them. So anyway, that's what we have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. We'll catch you next time. And remember, live problem free.